A job interview is a chance for employers to meet potential candidates, ask questions about their career, personality, and life, and see if the candidate is suitable for the job and the organization or not. Different employers might use different interview styles to assess the candidate, but one that are becoming increasingly popular nowadays are competency-based structured interview. So, in this video, we will tell you all about it. Competency is a concept linking three parameters: knowledge, skill, and behavior. Hence, competency-based structured interview are designed to elicit information and test your competency or specific skills needed for the job. Differs from normal or unstructured interview, which tend to be more open. Competency-based structured interview are more systematic, with each question targeting specific skill or competency that is essential for the job applied. It focuses on how you have applied your skills and experiences to a particular work situation. Competency-based interviews work on the principle that past behavior is the best indicator of future performance. It is widely used by hiring managers nowadays because it generally helps interviewers to identify candidates who are more likely to be high performers. Also, this approach provides interviewers with a way to gather detailed information about essential skills. For example, communication, leadership, and problem solving that are best explored during an in-person discussion. With normal or unstructured interview, the questions are fairly random and can sometimes be quite open. For example, why did you apply for the job? Or what are your strengths and weaknesses? Just relevant questions without any specific aim in mind other than getting an overall impression of you as an individual. Whereas with competency-based structured interview, questions asked are aimed to test a specific skill or competency, and you'll need to answer in the context of actual events. Expect questions that are based on real-life examples, such as describe a situation in which you led a team, or give an example of a challenge you face at work and how you overcome it. Questions relating to your behavior in a specific circumstances in which you'll need to back it up with your own experience. Some companies will usually have a trained or certified assessors to conduct this interview, and your answers will be compared against a predetermined criteria and marked accordingly. As of all interviews, preparation is key if you want to be able to answer all questions thrown at you without having to think too much on the spot. So, first thing that you need to do is to study the job description very thoroughly to identify the competencies required for the role. Some JD will even have these listed down in their requirements. Then think about past examples of your work situations that are related to those competencies. By doing so, you should find it easier to provide relevant answers to the questions you will be asked, allowing you to better illustrate your strength and experience. Questions you might ask yourself of your experiences: how would I describe the experience if I were asked about it? What were the challenges involved in this experience? How did I deal with those challenges? What was the result of how I dealt with this experience and its challenges? If I were to approach the situation again, what would I do differently? You can structure your answers to competency-based questions using the STAR technique. Situation: describe the situation you were confronted with. Task: describe the task that needed to be completed. Action: explain what, why, and how you did it. Result: describe the outcome of your actions. Utilizing the STAR technique will help you to answer the question in a clear and concise manner and ensures that your answer covers all bases. Whenever possible, try to relate your answer to the job that you're interviewing for, and although your answers can be pre-planned, try not to sound too robotic, as if you're reading from a script. Most importantly, be your best self when answering competency questions. Use real-life examples and relate them to your own experience, how you reacted to it, or how it made you feel. Do not come up with an imaginative scenario. Any lies or invented examples can be easily checked. These are not trick questions. They are designed to create the best match between an individual and an organization. Although it's undeniable that interviews can be very stressful, if you do your homework and prepare, there's every chance that you'll land the job. Hopefully hopefully this video will help you to anticipate the questions you will be asked and be better prepared for it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.